SATA, a storage interface that allows a drive to communicate with your computer for reading and writing data. It's used on both hard disk drives and solid-state drives. So, how can I use these internal hard drives as external storage on a computer? Stick around. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Here are my SATA drives. These two are SATA HDD, and this one is a SATA SSD. They're typically used as internal storage inside computers. In this video, I'll be using 3 different tools to connect them externally. Let's start with the first one, the SATA-to-USB adapter. Here's my SATA-to-USB adapter. You can easily find one on Amazon or any electronic store for around $8 to $30. Before you buy one, it's important to note that SATA isn't the only storage interface. There are others like IDE, M2, and U2. Also, there are several USB connector types like USB-A, USB-C, and micro USB. So, make sure both your adapter and computer ports are compatible. Alright, let's connect a SATA drive using this adapter. I'll use a SATA HDD for demonstration, but the process is identical for an SSD. First, connect the SATA drive to the adapter. Notice this extra power supply. That's crucial, as 2.5-inch hard drives draw enough power from a USB port to operate. In contrast, 3.5-inch hard drives need more electricity, so they must be connected to an external power supply, such as an AC/DC adapter. Once powered, connect the USB end to your computer and turn on the adapter if it has a power switch. Now, open File Explorer. You can press Windows+E to quickly open it up. Perfect. The SATA drive appears in the list. It's ready to use. Next, let's try Method 2. Method 2 involves using a SATA docking station. These are super convenient and easy to set up. Here's mine. It's a dual bay docking station, meaning I can connect 2 drives at once. It supports both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch HDDs and SSDs. To use it, insert your drives into the docking station. Here, I'll put one SSD and an HDD. When installing, make sure to align the SATA connectors properly. Connect the power adapter. Then attach the USB cable and plug it into your computer. Press the power button to turn it on. Once again, open File Explorer and you'll see both drives are accessible. Now let's move on to the last method, the SATA hard drive enclosure, a great choice if you want portability. Unlike the open adapters or docks, an enclosure fully protects your drive inside a case, making it great for carrying around safely. Here's how to set it up. First, make sure to choose an enclosure compatible with your drive size. Note that 3.5-inch drives will again need external power. Open the case and insert your drive. Ensure the connectors align. Then, close the case securely. Now, plug in the power cable and connect the enclosure to your PC via USB. Finally, don't forget to turn it on if it has a switch. Your drive should now appear in File Explorer automatically. But if your connected hard drive fails to show up on computer, what to do? If your connected SATA drive doesn't appear, there are usually 2 common causes. Reason 1, lack of power. 3.5-inch HDDs need an external power source. Without it, they won't spin up or be recognized. As you can see, 3.5-inch drives are much larger and require more power. If everything is properly connected, but the drive still doesn't show up, the problem could be the drive. It might need to be partitioned first. This often happens with brand new drives. They aren't formatted yet, so Windows can't detect them automatically. To fix this, press Windows+S, search for Disk Management, and open it. Locate the unallocated drive, right-click it and choose New Simple Volume. Then follow the wizard. Choose the full size, set a smaller size if you want multiple partitions. Assign a drive letter such as E, F, G, or any letter that's not already in use. Choose NTFS and enable Quick Format. Finally, click Finish. Now your drive should appear in File Explorer ready to use. Those are the 3 main tools to connect SATA drives via USB. Each of these tools has its own advantages. The SATA to USB adapter is the most affordable and compact option. It is perfect for quick use or on-the-go connections. A SATA hard drive docking station lets you connect 1 or even multiple drives at the same time, great for those who work with several disks. Meanwhile, a SATA hard drive enclosure turns your internal drive into a portable external one, offering full protection against dust, shock, and damage. All three are easy to use and incredibly handy, especially when you're trying to access or back up data from an old or damaged computer. Just simply remove the hard drive from your faulty computer, then connect it to another working PC using any of these SATA-to-USB tools and instantly access the data. From there, you can use RecoveryFox AI to quickly and safely recover your important files in just a few clicks. It's an AI-powered data recovery software designed for a smart, stable, and easy recovery process. It supports HDDs, SSDs, USB drives, SD cards, and more storage media. You can use it to recover files like videos, photos, music, documents, zip archives, and even game data. Here's how it works. Visit wonderfoxrecovery.com to download and install RecoveryFox AI. You can scan and preview files for free with the unregistered version, then launch RecoveryFox AI and you'll see a clean and simple interface. All available drives listed clearly. Select the SATA drive and start scanning automatically. The software first performs a quick scan for recent files, then an AI scan follows to deeply search and reconstruct long-lost data, even from fragmented file sectors. Scanning time depends on drive size and file volume. You can pause any time during the AI scan and preview files. Go through the scanned results by file path or file type. Then select a file and choose Preview. To recover, you can select Needed Items, a folder, or the whole scan results and hit Recover. Just remember to save recovered files to a different drive to prevent overwriting. Super easy and efficient. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's guide on connecting and recovering data from SATA drives. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I'm Rico from RecoveryFox AI, and I'll see you in the next video with more practical tech and data tips to simplify your digital life.